CCP is going to walk on stage at the Baby Yoda Halloween. Buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my Which Switch shirt fan. Announced that 2019 was a great year for testing new features and getting feedback. With this feedback, they have learned a lot about our behavior and so was wanting to implement big changes but had only one real way to test what we as players would do. 2019 was in fact that test. Chaos, Blackout, Drifters, and Halloween was all tests to see how we react to changes in the game. A live test using real people and using forums and social media to get feedback. Emphasis mine. If you want, you can defend things by pointing out that other stuff has a bigger impact. Local gets attention because Baby Yoda Halloween. Buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my Which Switch shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. How unambiguously fucked up it is to Baby Yoda Halloween. Buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my Which Switch shirt. Jump into a system and have the locals in the warp to their citadels before you finish loading the grid. The problems aren't exclusively what's happening now. It's historic stuff that's never been addressed, like the ability to dupe certain materials that happened for 6 years. The ability to generate good sizable per hour via old PvE systems with little risk. The ability that has now been removed to make huge per hour via faction warfare. A game this old has issues. CCP isn't addressing it. They are just stacking more and more features on top. Other products.